In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can attach your wrist strap to your Insta360 Luna Ultra. Okay, first thing that you want to do is go ahead and grab your wrist strap here. And here at the very bottom, on the back side, is where you're going to attach the wrist strap, right there. So now there's a certain way you want to put this thing in. Let's go ahead and take your wrist strap here and kind of, put it to a point, or flatten it out as best you can. Okay, so if I take my screen and I put it to the right-hand side and I come in from this way, I can get it in because I've just through trial and error, I've tried inserting it in the other way and I couldn't. But you just put it in there like so. All right, put it in there like that and just slide it right on through. There you go, and pull it through. Okay, now just take your loop and then put your whole loop through there like so. Just like that. Pull it through all the way. Okay, and then pull it tight like that, and then it'll tie in a knot. There you go, and now it's on there. And that's how you attach your wrist strap to your Insta360 Luna Ultra.